In this video, how to fix this error code when installing update on Windows 10 and 11. The first method is to create a new text document on your desktop. Open the newly created text file and enter this code snippet. This prepares the system for cleanup by stopping services that might be using update files. Then, it renames the SoftwareDistribution and Troubleshooter folders. These folders store temporary update data. Renaming them forces Windows to create new ones. Next, it re-registers important system libraries for Windows components. It also resets WinSock and proxy settings to fix network problems. And it cleans up unused plug-and-play drivers, removing old or hidden devices. After that, it uses DISM to scan and repair the Windows image and system files. It also cleans up old or outdated updates and components. Then, it runs the system file checker. This tool checks for and fixes corrupted system files. Finally, it restarts the services that were stopped at the beginning, allowing Windows to work normally again. Once you're done, save the text file as a batch script. When saving, change the save as type to all files and give it a name ending with .bat. Then, run the script as an administrator. Type Y and hit Enter to continue. This process might take about an hour, so please be patient. Restart your PC when it's finished. As you can see, the error is gone and the update has been installed successfully. If it still doesn't work, we recommend running the script again and restarting your computer. If the first way doesn't work, you can try the second method. This method will fix all Windows Update issues by repairing your Windows system. In the Windows Update option, select the Advanced options. Then select Recovery. Click Reinstall now to fix problems using Windows Update. Don't worry, your installed apps, files, and settings will be kept. As you can see, a repaired version of Windows will be downloaded and installed automatically. As you can see, the update has been installed without any problems. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.